SMX is over. It is time for silly season, and one of the first is Jordan Smith leaving Star Racing Yamaha. He had a post on his Instagram saying, quote, "Well, what a season it was. I made it to every single race and was really happy with my riding all season. P3 last night to finish off a podium. I'm glad to finish my time with Star Racing Yamaha on a high note and can't thank them enough for the opportunity they gave me. Just a few years ago, I lost my factory ride and didn't know what the future held for me. I persevered and made it back to a factory team, and I'm thankful for every single person that's a part of the team. They are like family to me now, and I wouldn't be back to where I am without them. Now it's time to enjoy a little break and recharge the batteries." And if you look around, if you read around, the rumor or whatever you want to call it is he's expected to move to Factory Triumph next year. Now, if they keep Swole and they keep, or not, no, if they keep Swole and they sign Forkner, which is, I think, the other big rumor here, with him, that's another three-person 250 squad and probably a pretty good one. We'll see if it actually happens. We'll see if either of these two guys do end up going there or what really ends up or where they end up really going. But I think it's going to be good for them. It's good for Factory or good for Triumph if they get Faulkner and Smith, two really fast competitive guys to build or continue building that team on or around, whatever you want to call it. And we'll see what happens for Smith. I mean, obviously leaving Star is one of the fastest, one of the best 250 factory squads ever. And going to Triumph is kind of a big move for him, unproven, kind of still developing the bike and see where it goes. But if they start developing a 452, it's a pretty easy path for the 250 guys to move up, and we'll see what happens there. I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me. Do you think it's a good move for him to leave Star and go to Triumph? Do you think he should have gone somewhere else or stayed there? Or whatever it is, what do you think of the season? Do you think Faulkner goes there? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.